Alright guys, in the smart car today, and this thing looks just super nasty. So we're about to go by, go run through the car wash, just see if I can clean it up a little bit, wipe it down a little bit, get some of the trash out of here, and see if we can just make this thing look a little better. Car washes always smell so good, don't they? Alright guys, smart car looks way better. However, and I'll show you in a second, depends on how bright white this thing is when it's all cleaned up. These tires have no tire shine on them. And the front tire up here has no tire shine on it. I paid for tire shine. The only tire that got tire shine was this one rear tire, and it got covered in it, so it slung it everywhere. So I'm gonna have to call them and say, hey, I paid for tire shine. I got one tire with tire shine on it. Tell you what, it doesn't matter what kind of car it is. As soon as it's clean, it always surprises me. All right, guys, got the smart car out here today, and I'm gonna show you how the headlight go out right here. To try to change the low beam headlight. So these are the lights I bought, just some cheapos off of eBay. It's like $5, so way cheaper than trying to go spend $30-something at AutoZone or whatever. So changing out these bulbs behind the projectors, and the first thing you got to do is this little piece right here unlocks the actual hood right here. So we actually push that to the side, pull this out. There's a mechanism in there that actually unlocks this front panel. You can do that on both sides, and then it unlocks that. That allows you to pull the hood up and out of here. This thing just snaps on. There you go. Both sides, and then there's the tether, so it can't fly away if you don't lock it in all the way. So this is where you got your windshield washer fluid, your radiator cap, all that stuff's up here. I guess that's brake fluid, I guess, way over there. So you got your radiator and all that good stuff up here. So to get to these headlights, they're right back here, and if you get your hand in there, you can get the headlight in. If you can, you gotta pop this headlight out. So here's the old headlight, and you can see that the filament in there is broken. So that's obviously why it would not work. It's completely blown. I just dropped it down in there. This piece down in here, this little metal piece, is what actually clips around, and actually you can see when you take it off how it moves around. But that's that little clip that holds the light bulb in place, and it clips on under there. And then your plug's right here beside it. Okay, that headlight is changed out. Now when you make sure that you realize which way the light goes in, because I got a little turned around, finally got into the right spot. Kind of locks down into a weird little area, and then the clip will go back on. Hopefully I can show you on this side. Oh, yeah, there's a lot more light over here. So this is the clip that I'm talking about. So you'll take this, you push it down, and then move it to the side of that little metal tab right there. As soon as you do that, well, let me pull the light off. Pull the plug off the light anyways. Pull that off of there. Okay. Then pop this out. Now the actual bulb will just lift up out of here, but make sure you realize which way these little tabs are going, or you'll get confused. Now this light's actually good, but it doesn't match the color of the other lights, so I'm going to change out both of them. What'd you say?
I like that hood because it has a mustache and it's white. Okay, are you gonna record?
What's on your shirt?
You know what? And do y'all mind watching this?
Go ahead.
There you go.
It's getting pretty good, actually. All right, be careful. Too far, come back. Awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna take the new bulb here Go ahead and get it back into the little spot there. Get it dropped in. Find where it goes. Right, get the key in the on position, and the lights are on. And they look pretty bright. I mean, it is daytime out here, so kind of bright. But all right, guys, that is it. Headlights are back in, all legal now. The hood, just make sure you put the top in first and put the bottom down, and do your little clips back. Just goes back on in reverse. No issues there. Headlights look good though. Make sure that little side note here, if you're doing your headlights or anytime messing with halogen bulbs, make sure that you do not touch the halogen bulb, otherwise it will totally mess it up. So make sure that you don't touch those. All right, guys, appreciate it. Go one more time.
Okay.
Go, go, go.